We've just acquired this fully loaded. It's the Nissan X-Trail Tekna diesel. Absolutely loaded with features. It's a proper 4-wheel drive, 7 seats as well. It's got front park distance control, some immaculate alloy wheels. It's got privacy glass to the rear park distance control. Has got a 360 camera as well. Electric tailgate. As you can see, the 2 extra seats in the back. These do fold down quite easily. To give you lots more space. Full leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, heated seats. There's a 4-wheel drive button, 6-speed gearbox, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, camera, AUX and USB. It's done 73,701 miles. Large opening panoramic roof as well. dCi offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.